Tech Results. Welcome back to Code Seki Tutorial. I'm Joshua, your friendly neighborhood tech guy. And today we are talking about something that happens to the best of us, forgetting your Windows password. Ever stared at your login screen and wonder, who changed this password? My cat? I've got you covered. Today I'm going to show you how to bypass your local account password using a Windows setup USB drive. But first, a quick and serious note. Navigate to your web browser and then search for Rufus. Click on the first option that appears. On the Rufus page, navigate to the latest release and download the latest version of Rufus, that is currently 4.6. After the download is complete, make sure you open the setup and then you see this page. Now we are going to plug our pen drive into the computer. Okay, it's now connected. You can see it on the device name. Then we click on select. And then we navigate to where we have our Windows setup. After clicking on the setup, then we click on OK. And now you are going to wait for the image to scan fully to check if the image is not corrupted. I'm going to skip this due to time. Okay, now so we are going to change the name so that you can actually see it when it pops up on the window. I'm going to save mine as Windows Savior. And then we are going to change the partition scheme to MBR. Okay, now we are going to click on start. You can leave this and just click on OK since you're not going to install a Windows. Click on OK. Yeah, so now we are not going to touch anything. We are going to wait for it to create a bootable drive. This might take a long time, so I'm going to skip this in the video. Okay, now it's completed, so all we need to do right now is to close the Rufus application and then take out the bootable drive and then insert it into the locked PC, and then we'll go from there. I've started my computer and I'm entering into the boot menu key. Okay, so now I'm going to choose the USB storage device. I'm going to press any key and wait. Okay, now so instead of clicking on next, you're going to press the shift key plus the F10 to open the command prompt. Here, if you're using drive C, you're going to type in C, but since I'm using drive E, I'm going to be using E throughout. So we're going to type the E column and then we hit enter, and then we change directory as CD space Windows slash system32, and then we hit enter. Then we're going to copy, so we type copy space utilman.exe. I'm going to hit enter. Now we're going to copy, so type copy. I'm going to click on enter, and here we are going to type yes. So that's it, we are done. All you need to do right now is to close the command prompt, turn off the computer, and take out the hard drive, and so that we can just boot it normally. Now what we did in the other section is that we changed the accessibility to ease of access, which will open the command prompt when we click on it. Okay, so now the command prompt is open. Let me zoom in a little bit so that you can see it clearly. Alright, so now we are going to type NetUser. Yeah, and this will show the list of accounts we have on the laptop, and then you select the account you want. Mine is black user, so I'm going to type NetUser space black user, which is my account name. So here you type your account name in and space the new password which you want. So I'm just going to type in a simple password here. When you're done, you click on enter, and that's it. You've changed the old password to a new one. So I'm going to type exit and enter. So now the new password which you type, you're going to type it here. It's going to take a little bit of time. Yeah, so that's it, folks. You can now change your password whenever you forget it.